Hey folks, how you doing today? So this just came out of our restoration shop. This is a mid-1930s Ad Lee baby vendor gumball trade stimulator. These have become very popular over the last few years. People like them because it really is a slot machine that's very small, but it's a hand pay. We went completely through this. It's all been completely polished. It's been painted. We did it with two colors, black and maroon. It's really nice. Now the nice thing about this one is it is penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. Some only take nickels, some only take pennies, but a lot of them do take penny through quarter, this being one of them. So as you see, I got the different denominations out here. So we'll give it a shot. We'll run our dime through here. Put our little dime in. Runs super nice, and what happens is every time you play this, it does not dispense a gumball machine, but you must take the gumball machine. Gumball. So every time. Now these gumballs which I have in here are a little bit small. If you wanted to drop one, you got to get a little bit bigger gumball. That's why it's dropping a couple, because I don't have the appropriate size, but the gum vendor works well. Also over here on the side, as you see, here's this little window here, and that shows the last coin played, because it's penny, nickel, dime, quarter. If you play a penny, they pay you in pennies, so on and so forth, up to quarters. It has fortune-telling reel strips on it here, which has a little fortune in the reel strips, as well as it has a fortune here, and it's in the fortune that tells you how many coins you get paid per winner. So 2 cherries is 2, 2 cherries and a lemon or bell are 4, 4 oranges is, or 3 oranges is 8, so on and so forth. So let's play it again here. Now we're going to go with the nickel. Boom. See, and then this goes in, right, to give you your gumball. Then when you play your next coin, it pops out to take your next gumball. As you see, it runs good, original reel tapes. We're gonna run the quarter through it now. And as you see right here, there's the quarter. The previous coin sat there. Every time you play it, that coin drops off to show the last coin played so that the bartender could pay you accordingly. Very nice little machine, all gone through, polished, painted, new glass. These once again are becoming very collectible. People love them because they're small, penny, nickel, dime, quarter. It's ready to go, so if you buy it before noon, we get it out that day. Anyway, remember we're doing restorations. Just give us a call. We can pick anything up in the country. We'll have it brought here. We'll restore it, deliver it back to you. You can just buy it anywhere. We'll get it in and take care of it. Anyway, great little trade stimulator. Thanks for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.